In 1958, the J.J. Mauget Company pioneered tree injection, setting a new standard in plant health care. From the very beginning, our goal has been simple: make tree care easy and accessible for everyone who loves trees. For nearly 8 decades, homeowners, arborists, landscapers, municipalities, and golf courses have trusted Mauget's injection capsules to protect and preserve the trees they care about most. And through it all, Mauget has remained a family-owned business, run by arborists and plant healthcare specialists who work hands-on in the business every day, rooted in the same values of care, innovation, and hard work that built this industry. Our capsules are designed to make tree care accessible to anyone who values the trees in their life. Each one comes pre-mixed, pre-measured, and ready to go, delivering a precise dose of fertilizer or pesticide or treatment directly into the tree's vascular system. There's no bulky machinery, no guesswork, just the tree's natural rate of absorption assisted by gentle pressure from the capsule. It's simple, efficient, and minimizes chemical exposure for you, your family, and the environment. Whether you're treating for pests, boosting growth, or protecting a beloved old shade tree, you can do it confidently and with ease. Our formulations are proprietary, developed entirely in-house by us. We never outsource to big chemical companies. Every blend is designed to be taken up quickly and gently by the tree, lowering the risk of phytotoxicity while maximizing distribution through the canopy. And because we're hands-on with every batch, we can stand behind the quality. From mixing the chemistry to sealing the capsules, every step happens under our roof, carrying on the same tradition Mauget started in 1958, delivering dependable, science-driven formulations that help your trees thrive. We're more than a product company. We're educators, partners, and advocates for healthy trees and communities. When you call Mauget, you're speaking directly to us. 7 days a week, we're here to help with technical questions, product use, and diagnosing tree issues, because your success is our success. Every Mauget product is made here in Floyd, Virginia, with care and consistency you can count on. Nearly every component of our system is produced in the United States, often by other small, family-owned businesses. Even our capsules are made in Arizona by a hardworking company we're proud to partner with. Supporting small business is part of who we are, and it's built into every product we make. From the trees in your backyard to the parks in your community, Mauget is here to help them thrive. Whether you're a seasoned arborist or just getting started, give us a call. We'd love to work with you and help keep trees healthy for generations to come.